Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease the font and display size on OPPO mobile phones. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on setting, you just click on the search option and search for the font. Okay, you just search for the font and display size and it has came here. So just click on the first option. When you move on the first option, you're going to find the font and display size here. Okay, so just click on here. When you move on it here, just scroll on the up little bit. When you scroll on the up little bit, here you are going to find the font size scale. This is a scale of the font size. Okay, you can set the small, default, medium, large and very large. Okay, you can set it from here by just scrolling like this. Okay, this is a scale of the font size. Now let's see the display size. You can set the display size also. See, this is the small, then this is the default and this is the large. Okay, you can set it like that. So I just set the large and default. Large is the for the font size and the default is for the display size. Okay, after that, when you have been set, you just click on in use. When you move on in use, now I'm just talking about the screen color temperature. So this is the cool and this is the default and this is the warm. It's easy, like it's same only like the font size and display size scale. This two same only, the screen color temperature scale. Okay, and on the upside I'm just going to talk about the auto screen off. It means this is the lock screen timeout. Okay, if you want to set the 15 seconds you can set it, and if you want to set the 30 seconds you can set 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. You can set anyway. Okay, you just click on that timing where you want to set it. Okay, so friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, please do not forget. Okay, and thanks for watching.